Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that might seem simple, but actually has a huge impact on your pool, and that's swimming pool tiles. You might think tiles are just for looks, but they do a lot more than just make your pool pretty. So here are the top 5 ways swimming pool tiles affect your pool that you probably didn't know. First up, visual appeal. Tiles play a big role in how your swimming pool looks and feels. Whether it's that crystal clear blue vibe, a luxurious resort-style mosaic, or a modern dark bottom look, it's all thanks to the tiles you choose. The right color and texture can transform your pool from simple to stunning. You can even add personality with custom patterns or borders. Next, let's talk durability. Tiles aren't just for decoration. They actually help protect your pool's surface from wear and tear. High-quality pool tiles are water-resistant, chemical-resistant, and can handle years of sun exposure without fading or cracking. So not only do they look good, they also extend the life of your pool. Number 3. Water temperature control. Believe it or not, the color of your tiles can influence how warm or cool your pool feels. Dark tiles absorb more heat from the sun, which can help warm up the water, especially in colder climates. On the flip side, light-colored tiles reflect sunlight and can help keep your pool cooler in hot weather. So depending on your location, tile color matters more than you think. Now let's get into safety. Slippery surfaces are a real hazard around pools, but this is where anti-slip tiles come in. These are specially made for steps, shallow areas, and pool decks to reduce the risk of slipping. They not only keep your pool stylish, but also safe, especially if you have kids or it is a public space. And finally, maintenance. Tiles are actually one of the easiest surfaces to clean and maintain. Their smooth, non-porous finish helps resist algae and stains, which means you spend less time scrubbing and more time swimming. Plus, a clean-tiled pool always looks more inviting. So there you have it. From looks to safety and even temperature control, swimming pool tiles do way more than you'd expect. If you're planning to build or renovate a pool, don't overlook your tile choices. They can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tile style you prefer. Classic blue, modern black, or maybe a tropical mosaic. Catch you in the next one.